वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज जिस चीज़ के बारे में मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ उसको मैंने कभी डिस्कस नहीं किया है और उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा थ्रू अपने ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन। जो ट्रेड ली थी मैंने उसकी वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड की थी फुल फॉर्म में और आल्सो इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म। इट इज़ अ स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन माय फ़ोन, सो watch it before you come to here. Okay, so every trade there is specific framework which will repeat for every trading day and every trading session. Okay, so first of all you need the order flow, then the point of interest, the SMT, and then the chain state of delivery. But all of these will be in the framework of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. How? Let me show you. On the daily time frame of E-mini Nasdaq, we are in uptrend. So we are expanding, retracing, expanding, retracing, expanding, retracing, expanding, retracing. It means we are in bullish order flow. This is my point of interest. Why? Because we find support here, and this Thursday we take the trade, and this is the Wednesday, so we find support there. In terms of support resistance you will understand better. But this, why the specific fair value gap? If you go to the ES you will find there is no gap. So when in one asset there is a gap and there is no gap in another asset, it is a high probability fair value gap. Okay, so order flow is clearly bullish, point of interest is clear, then we will wait for the SMT and CSD. But these SMT and CSD will be in the framework of accumulation manipulation, otherwise you will lose the right side and you will be on the upside. For that we need to go down 1 hour time frame. We taking trade here. Before we go to our trade, let's analyze the week first, what is already done. So I need to off any other. This is the Monday. We started and nothing happened, just a market is held in a range. Then Tuesday came along, the market expanded to the downside. I already told you in the first, if we find any manipulation to the downside we will take it. ओके मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था पहले, अगर हम मैनिपुलेशन फाइंड करते हैं नीचे की तरफ तो हम उसको लेंगे. अब जो मेन कंसर्न है मेरा आप लोगों को समझाने का वो है मैनिपुलेशन. अगर आप मैनिपुलेशन को समझ सके और आइडेंटिफाई कर सके तो आप लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मालूम करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे आप लोग ट्रेड ले सकोगे. This accumulation manipulation is a time based concept, also a price based concept, which I already teach you my one of the playlist. This is price cycle and I think the time cycle. All other videos I will upload it soon. I have, but I will upload it soon as your interest is built on. Okay, so Tuesday passes and we find nothing because we want to take the trade to the upside because we are a clear upward trend. So on Wednesday we come here and we see what the price is doing. So usually I give you the point of interest which is 945 to 1015. You need to keep in mind it. Okay, I will also give you another point of interest, but please for now keep in mind it because usually manipulation happen at that time and there is a big wick farm that time, specific time. Okay, so yes, there is something you can do it, but I will not consider it. The main reason is I didn't find a clear SSMT there. This is my main reason, and I need to find the SSMT before I go fourth step, which is the CSD. So I fast this day and 3 days passed without trade, and this is the fashion of the trading. Okay, and you will understand by time like doing less is doing more. So when we come to the Thursday, the price open expanded one-sided. This is a clear manipulation. Yes, we will go in that side, but it is a manipulation. Manipulation doesn't mean that it will go against you. Manipulation mean also like it will go in your side, but in not your time zone. Okay, जिस टाइम पे आप ट्रेड करते हो या जो भी टाइम आप लोगों ने अपने लिए स्पेसिफाई किया है उसी टाइम पे मूव नहीं करे तो दैट्स योर मैनिपुलेशन. ओके, नाउ व्हेन वी come to the London, we find it is accumulating. Why? The Asia expand. London we will likely accumulate. How you will know? Let's go to 15-minute time frame. I like the big charts, so come here. Asia expand, London accumulate. जब लंदन सेशन ख़त्म हुआ और AM सेशन शुरू हुआ तो मेरे माइंड में स्ट्रेट एक चीज़ आई कि यस, we fast FOMC on Wednesday. We hear the news and we are in the right market condition. Environmental selection is very good. We need to take a trade if we find any trade, and we find it. How? Let me show to you. Okay. If you come here and you see the Q3 update specific day, which is the AM, it is expanded on one side and then drop it down very hard. This is what we want. Okay, why we want? Because we found SMT here. Let me show to you. Okay, and you are also below true open. How? This is the true open, this candle. Okay, so you are below the true open and you form SMT, and if you go down to the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, you found the change in state of delivery. Where? Here. This inverse fair value gap is the real inverse fair value gap. You see my points. First of all, order flow, then point of interest, SMT, then change in state of delivery. But these all should be formed in the framework of accumulation, manipulation and distribution, and these accumulation, manipulation, distribution should be in the framework of time and price. What price is doing? Price is doing expansion, retracement, expansion, order flow. What is time doing? Time is the exact limitation of the price. Okay, you can manipulate the price but you cannot manipulate the time. This is the main thing which we can get from this trading. हमने इस जगह को टारगेट किया. आप लोग मेरे वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. वीडियो बड़ी लंबी थी, मैंने अपलोड कर दी. आई डोंट लाइक सो मच एडिटिंग. सो हमने इस जगह को टारगेट किया जिसको आप वीडियोस में देख सकते हैं और मैंने वीडियो अपलोड की हैं. सो आई होप यू फाइंड सम वैल्यू इन दिस थिंग रिपीटिंग एवरी डे, every session. Goodbye.